Today today we'll discuss the sample dashboard for employment. So this is the kind of report dashboard we are supposed to create. This is the dashboard we are supposed to create. Let us start now. So let's go to here. Let's go to file. New. We have taken a very simple Excel file. This is very easy. So we have taken only the three things. One is matrix, slicer, and Python. So the remaining things are also discussed. And now we can see the data. It takes time to load the data. So if you see here, you click on get data and Excel. Here, there I have got some data using this. This is long-term unemployment statistics. You can open. This is the first sheet. It has got four columns: age, gender, period, and unemployment. Basically, within the period, the unemployment status. We can load the data. Okay, so this is what is your data. We have got age, gender, period, and unemployment. So first thing, what first visualization we'll create is a slicer. So click on this slicer visualization. Now here what we want to take is the age part. So we can simply is the data fields as age. Okay. So it's coming in a small font. So just go to view, page view, actual size. So if you click on actual size, you don't have to modify the font and all that. So this is what is you will get. So basically you can select the age and accordingly the data will get changed. Next is your matrix. So let's take the matrix. In matrix, what we want basically is based on age. That is the rules are age. Okay, and gender is the column because there are only two gender, and the value which we want to display is the unemployment statistics. So you can see here, according to the data, you can see between 16 to 19 years, men, so many men are there, so many women, total like that. Okay. Next is your pie chart. You can simply take a pie chart over here. Okay. This is the pie chart. You can keep it here. and you can change the position, keep it here, a little bit or little bit size needs to be more specific. Now, what are the legends we want? We want the age over here. That's the legend. Okay. And gender are the details. Um, Unemployment attachment in the value. So you can see here, if you see here, this belongs to age group 25 to 34. Where this you will get the male and here you will get the female population. So this way a pie chart you can, if you want specifically of farming, so you can select over here men. So it will show you only the data for men. Same way if you want only for women, you can select it for women. If you want it for both, you can get the both the data. This way you can create the pie chart. Next is your data card. So data card will help you to give a one particular value. So I'll just also show you the text because we want to give some kind of heading to the report. So generally it is you can keep the text box up, come down. Just you can drag it up, put some text over there. Let's say unemployment, 3 for 1. And give the title in the beginning. You can change the font and add the background color. Let's change the color. This way we will be having the dashboard. Now here we can add also a data card. You can simply take one data card over here, click on the right, take the data card over here, where you can get the value over here. So you can take the unemployment value. Okay. So let's say if it is between age group of 16 to 18. So you can see here there is a change 20. Okay, this way it will help you basically. So this is the complete value. If you observe it over here, it is in millions. Same way, if you want specifically, it will show you that also. You can easily make out what exactly it is there. So this is a very simple dashboard I have tried to create to make the topic very easy for you to understand. So what we have understood in this, we have taken the slicer, we have taken the matrix, we have taken the pie chart, the data count, and what is. You can also take a column chart. That could be easy for us to understand and put it down. So here in column chart, we can add the data fields over here. We can specify the axis as age, legend as gender, and values as age. You can easily get this. Good. Actually, the data is quite good for us to understand all of this. And also, we can understand unemployed, the age and gender, male and female in which age group. We can easily make out what is the value. I hope it is very clear. It's a very simple project we can understand. Now there are certain like you want to make the tool more better, so you can always um, beautify the particular reports. So simply what you can do is go here and here basically this is the title. So title you can just it's on right now. You can click here. So you can change the title over here. You can change the background color for this and changing it to this. And same way for here I can change the front color, font color, it's white. This I will make it a little dark so it is easily available. So this way you can beautify the particular reports, okay, whatever reports are there. And here the title is off in this case. Um, you can take the slicer header is on. So in slicer header the font you can change it to white. Background color you can use the same color. So just to make it this is font color you can change it to white. And this you can put it in the center. I guess it is very clear. Here also you can enter for data type. So this way it's very easy for you to understand. Okay. Now here we can change the values over here. Okay, we can do some additional formatting. So that is possible. Let's do some formatting here. So in formatting you can put the spotlight or something like that. Let's go into the column chart. You can start ascending, descending, all these things are possible. I think this is most of it's clear. It's not very difficult.